Just want to update you on the latest data coming to us from NHS England, and that is a total of 3,605 patients have now died in hospital in the UK after testing positive for coronavirus. We've had various bits of data as well in from Wales and Northern Ireland. We know that the death toll in Scotland increased by 46. We heard that from the First Minister of Scotland, Nicola Sturgeon, earlier. Let's bring in Sky's Katie Spencer, and she can talk us through these latest numbers. Katie.
Yeah, these are the daily figures that have just come through from the Department of Health. We know that they have increased. We are expecting this now to happen every day, that the numbers will increase day on day. But for the UK overall picture, we know that deaths now have increased by 684 on the last set of data. So now they stand at 3,605. So not only have they broken the 3,000 mark, they're well over the 3,500. As we sort of get more information coming through, we can tell you some of the breakdown of what's happening in the rest of the country. We're still waiting for actually the individual numbers from England at the moment, but we do, as you mentioned, have the situation from Scotland because they updated us over an hour ago now. We know that deaths in Scotland have increased by 46, taking their total now to 172, lower than the day before, but we know because the day before, when there was that increase of 50, that actually Nicola Sturgeon, she said that came down to the fact that actually the Health Board hadn't been notified in time of some of the deaths. So it's still a significant increase though in Scotland, and we know that the number of people that are being treated in intensive care at the moment stands at 176 in Scotland. For Wales, the figures have come through again. They are higher on the day before. We've had an increase of a further 24 deaths in Wales, taking their total now to 141. And just quickly as well, the situation in Northern Ireland, again, the figures today are higher than they were the day before, an increase in the number of deaths by 12, taking the total for Northern Ireland now to 48.